Watch this full video for the secrets of this recipe. Hello guys, welcome to Taste and Life. Before we move to our new tasty recipe, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it already, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today we are going to prepare paneer masala. So let's get started. Turn on the gas. Place a vessel on it. Add about 3 glasses of water. Add a pinch of salt. Also add a spoon of oil. Now let's add our paneer cubes. Let the water boil on the high flame. Once the water boils, switch off the gas. Strain the water and keep the paneer cubes aside. Now let's prepare our masala. In a bowl, add dahi or curd. Add about 2 spoons of red chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, a spoon of homemade mixed masala, garam masala, coriander powder, and a pinch of salt. Now mix all these ingredients. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. This is how our mixture should look like. Now, on a gas, place the kadhai. Add some oil in it. Once the oil heats up, add cumin seeds or jeera. Also add some ginger garlic paste and give it a mix. Now add some chopped onions. Let them cook until they get golden brown. Add some coriander leaves in it. Give it a mix and add the masala we made earlier. Now mix it well. Let it cook until the sour flavor of dahi is gone. Now add half glass of water in it. Mix and let it cook. Again add some coriander leaves. Give it a mix. Let our masala boil and then add some water in it. Once the gravy thickens, add some shredded paneer. I have used around 4 cubes for this. You can use more or less as per your liking. Now add the paneer cubes and mix slowly. Make sure you are gentle while mixing, otherwise the paneer cubes will break. Add some water and let it boil. This will help the paneer absorb the flavors of the gravy. After it boils a little, add some coriander leaves again. Give it a mix. And now it's done. Now transfer it into a serving bowl. Look at it. It is looking so delicious. And our spicy and delicious paneer masala is ready. Enjoy this paneer masala with chapati, naan or any type of roti you wish.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.